PortraitStudio is on sale at almost 50% off at istebrak.com/store. There is no more need to browse Google Images endlessly for the perfect pose, lighting, angle, or model. With free-to-pose male and female mannequins, customizable male and female busts, and full lighting and camera control, PortraitStudio maximizes referencing capability and reach, and with it perfects your paintings. Not only is it an amazing educational tool, but it helps students and artists alike draft, blueprint, and plan entire illustrations simply and easily from their desktops. There is no need to learn modeling, buy physical models, or develop full walk-in studios or pay for studio subscriptions to have access to models. No more need for bulky and expensive anatomical models that take up space, and no need to worry about taking your own reference photos. You have all that power and more with added enhanced lighting features and efficient performance profiles for all levels of GPU power. This is the only sale of its kind I provide in the year, 2 weeks of almost 50% off. Thank you everyone for your support. I'll see you guys in class. Bye!